The mode away from home will be selected if no one will be using the spa for a long period. Under water care, just put the cursor over away from home and click on the enter key if you want to modify the configurations. By default, we will have one economy cycle and one filter cycle. To modify economy cycle, just put the cursor over it and click on the select key. First, we can modify occurrences. When all is done, click on the select key to modify the start time. If you then click on the select key, you can modify the stop time. Note that if start time and stop time are exactly the same, the cycle will last all day. Confirm selection by clicking one last time on the select key. To modify the filter configuration, we use pretty much the same process. Let's add a cycle instead of modifying the existing one. We clicked on select to change the occurrences. Then we can click on select to change the start time. For this example, we're going to select noon or 12 p.m. Lastly, we can click on select to change the duration of that filter cycle. We confirm the selection by clicking on select button once more. In this example, two cycles are configured. One is happening every day, starting at 8 p.m. and lasting 10 hours. The second one is happening only on weekends, starting at noon for 4 hours. To exit these menus, just click on the back key.